For this laboratory experiment, we built a mesocosm, which is a biological system that contains the physical features and organisms of an ecosystem but is restricted in size or scope for use in conducting scientific experiments. The materials we used were a large fish tank, 250 grams of pebbles, 100 grams of charcoal, a variety of potted plants, which were ferns, 3 tree branches, insects that were 5 worms and 5 grasshoppers, a spray bottle, 30 centimeters of plastic wrap, biodegradable coffee filters, 250 grams of soil from our own garden, and 50 milliliters of stream water. Before starting, make sure the fish tank is clean and there are no soap residues. Step 1. The bottom layer is for drainage. Pour a 5 cm layer of pebbles into the container. Step 2. The second layer is for hygiene. This requires a thin layer of activated charcoal of no more than 2 cm. This will help prevent mold and will aerate the soil. Step 3. Add the stream water, just enough to make all of the pebbles on the bottom layer wet. This is your bacteria. Step 4. The third layer is to prevent soil from setting at the bottom. Use the organic coffee filters over the charcoal to create a barrier between the other 2 layers. Step 5. The final layer is your growing medium. Use a spoon to pour carefully 5 centimeters of soil. Pat it down firmly before adding plants. Step 6. Add your plants with enough space for them to grow. Pick out all of the dead or decaying parts from them. Place them in a space where the plants won't touch the glass walls. Step 7. Add between 10 and 15 earthworms and add more soil on top of them. The worms will be the ones giving your plants the nutrients to grow. Step 8. Place 4 crickets, which will be the CO2 producers necessary for the carbon cycle to occur. Step 9. Then add the tree branches, preferably with moss growing on them. Step 10. Cover the fish tank with a layer of airtight plastic wrap. This prevents air and moisture from escaping from the jar. And with that, you have built Mesocosm. Hope it doesn't die.